Want to guarantee 100% on your quadratic equations? Then you need to avoid these common blunders. In this video, I'm breaking down the errors teachers see all the time, so you can stop losing easy marks.
Common mistakes students make while solving quadratic equations. Mistake number 1. Many students don't even check if the given equation is actually quadratic, and they jump straight into solving it with quadratic methods. Let's take a moment to see how we can check if an equation is truly quadratic or not.
The standard form of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where the highest power of the variable is 2. Now let's compare it with our given equation. We can see it has an x squared term, an x term, and a constant. The highest power of the variable is indeed 2. Also, in a quadratic equation, the coefficient of x squared cannot be 0, and here it is 1. So yes, we can confirm that this is a quadratic equation.
Mistake number 2. Not writing the equation in its standard form. Let's take a moment to understand what that really means.
We need to make sure the equation is written in its standard form, with the x squared term first, the x term in the middle, and the constant at the end. If it's not in that order, we simply rearrange the terms to match the standard form.
Keep in mind that a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term without any variable. If the equation isn't written in standard form, you might end up picking the wrong values for a, b, and c. And if you choose wrong values of a, b, and c, then the entire solution will be wrong. Mistake number 3. This applies when you're using the completing the square method. Always make sure the coefficient of x squared is 1. If it isn't, divide every term of the equation by the coefficient of x squared before moving forward. Mistake number 4. Sign errors. Many students forget to pay attention to negative signs, especially when applying the quadratic formula. A small sign mistake can completely change the solution. To understand this, let us compare the standard quadratic equation with the given equation. The value of a is the coefficient of x squared. In this equation, the coefficient is 1, so we can say that a equals plus 1. Next, the value of b is the coefficient of x, hence b is equal to plus 4. And finally, c is the constant term. Here, c equals negative 10. Pay close attention to the minus sign. If you drop it, your solution will be wrong. To recap, if a coefficient isn't written, it means the value is 1. And always watch the signs of the coefficients. Missing them can change the entire solution.
And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.